Query successful. Try again without apps. Thinking about downloading Rocket Money to take control of your finances, but are you worried it might ding your credit score? It's a valid question. Anytime you deal with a financial app or service, that little 3-digit number pops into your mind. So, does Rocket Money actually impact your credit score? The short answer is no. Simply using the Rocket Money app does not directly hurt your credit score. Here's why. When Rocket Money offers to show you your credit score, they do what's called a soft inquiry or soft pull. A soft pull happens when a person or company checks your credit for informational purposes, like when a credit card company pre-approves you for an offer, or in this case, when you check your own score through a monitoring service. These soft inquiries are recorded on your credit report, but crucially, they are not visible to lenders and do not affect your score. In contrast, a hard inquiry, or hard pull, is what happens when you actually apply for a new loan, a new credit card, or a mortgage. These do temporarily drop your score by a few points, as they signal to other lenders that you are actively seeking new credit. Now, while Rocket Money doesn't directly hurt your score, it can indirectly help you build and maintain good credit. Rocket Money's core features are all about financial health. By using the app to cancel unwanted subscriptions, you free up money that can be used for debt repayment. Negotiate bills, you save money, again, freeing up cash. Budget and track your spending, you gain better control over your cash flow. All of these actions can contribute to one of the biggest factors in your credit score, payment history and credit utilization. If you're using Rocket Money to save money and therefore make all your debt payments on time and keep your credit card balances low, you are actively supporting a healthy credit score. So, rest assured, using the app for budgeting, tracking, and even checking your score is safe for your credit. In fact, it's a smart step toward financial awareness, which is the first step toward a better score. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.